absolutely no idea. Me neither.
Wait, we're supposed to be doing something? Wait, you're alive? Yes? I thought you were just a couch. No, I'm not a couch. I'm a person. Sorry. Wait, you're not a person. You're a pig. Shut up. Okay.
What are we even doing? Oh my god, you guys. We are supposed to do the plan. The plan? What plan? We had a plan? I thought we were just sitting here. That's what we're doing right now. Yay! Guys, seriously. We should probably go and try to get some eggs. We really need the eggs. Sir! Yes? Guys, guess what? What? I found an egg! Go get it then. Okay! There's some eggs! Those are eggs? They don't look like eggs. Yeah, they don't look like eggs.
I don't care. I'll eat them.
We're not eating them, guys. Then what the heck are we supposed to do with eggs?
Boil them!
Good call. Yeah, we should boil them.
I like mine scrambled.
I like mine plain. What is wrong with you? I don't know. Jeez. Oh my god, you guys. We're not supposed to eat these eggs. These are eggs. They look like eggs. Yeah, they look exactly like the bird's eggs. Wait. These are marbles!
They are?
Yes!
I don't care. I'll eat them.
Okay, here you go.
I'm so bored.
Give us more eggs.
Okay! Yay!
Did you just burp? No, I made a burping noise. Why? I don't know. No one asked you. Oh. Can we guys get on with it? Get on with what? We don't have a plan anymore. We just gotta wait for him. What? I'm so bored. I am so... But wait. Where are the eggs? I ate them. You did what? No, just kidding. Okay, good. All three of us ate them. You did what? No, just kidding. Yeah, he's kidding. Yep, I'm kidding. Well, then what did happen to the eggs?
I don't know.
What? Ow. Ow. Why am I supposed to know again?
You weren't supposed to know.
Okay.
Hey, come on, guys. I'm trying to sleep here. Give me some quietness and a break. I'm trying to sleep here. Come on. I said I'm trying to sleep here.
Exactly. Give him some space.
Do not offend my child.
Well done. What? I don't know. Hey, Blue. Where's the other blues? Yeah. What about them? You mean Jake and Jay?
I hope.
Well, yeah. They are on a vacation.
On a vacation?
Yeah.
That's sus.
What?
Nothing.
What? I burped. You burped? No, I made the noise of a burp.
Why?
I don't know. I'm tired.
Guys, calm down. I'm trying to sleep here. Do not offend my son.
That's good to know. Thanks for telling me. What is going on? And does anybody know where Matilda is? I am right here. I was just getting this child. Why was the child up there? I don't know. Listen, Sprinkle. Yes. Why were you in the forest? I was looking for Pokemon. What? I was playing Pokemon Go.
And you got in the forest.
Yes.
Okay. I'm trying to swim here! Shut up! Yeah, you guys are being very rude. Whatever. I'm just gonna stay over here.
Guys! Yay! Sprinkle! Hi. Hello. Why are we just sitting around?
What? You make egg? Yes. I take you. What? No!
Somebody get him!
No. Ow! I said, give me some space. I'm trying to sleep. Do not offend my child.
Well done. What? I don't know. Can we go home? We are home. This isn't our home. Shut up.
Yeah. Okay. Child, are you okay? I'm going somewhere else. Do not offend my child!